Good morning. I had a person contact me the other day wanting me to build them some bee traps for Carpenter bees. I done built 3 of them, and I thought, well, I might as well get the camera out and show y'all how I'm doing. I'm going to build some more. And I thought, well, I got those bee holes out there in my shed. I need to build a few for my own self. And the way I found all it is a block of wood in a jar and a few holes that's drilled in it. Now these holes right here, the way I matched the what size hole is I took a drill bit out there and just found one that would fit the hole, and that's the size I made that one. Now the one inside, I drilled a 3/4 inch hole here and then drilled a hole in the lid and then screwed it down. So that's basically it. The wood's 5 inches long. Got a 3/4 inch hole going up the middle, about 2 inches. And then these holes I put at a 45-degree angle with a 3/8 inch bit that fit perfect out there in that hole. And drilled them in to meet that center hole, and then the bee goes in there and then comes down in the jar, and then he can't figure out how to get out. So let me cut one up and I'll just show you how to do it. Ain't nothing to it, quick and simple. I'm measuring up about 3/4 of an inch from the side holes, and then I'm going to just eyeball the center of the hole. I'll start my hole, go straight in just a little bit, and then start angling them back to about 45 degrees. Then we'll do all 4 sides like that. I find the center. Now I'm going to drill a little pilot hole and put my hook in the top. Now the lid, I'm going to eyeball the center, get me that starter hole, and I'll poke a couple of holes, starter holes for the screws. that gets this one done. I did go ahead and do another one off camera, so I wouldn't have to fool with the camera, just to see how long it's going to take me to do one. But my time turned out to be about 6.5 minutes from start to finish. So that ain't bad. And I'm going to get probably around $10 out of them. So that'd be $100 an hour. That ain't bad. So if I can sell them. Well, I may put a little clip here at the end with them hanging up outside. So I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Them bees been putting, they got sawdust all over my four-wheeler. And they got holes everywhere. There's a hole. And over here, look at all them holes. I about waited too long about getting these bee traps up. They about eat the shit up. Hopefully these traps will catch me some bees. Keep them from eating my shit up.